Joining a WhatsApp community allows you to connect with groups that share similar interests. Here's how to join one. First, make sure the community has an invite link or an admin that can add you. If you have the invite link, simply click it. WhatsApp will open and you will be directed to the community group. Tap Join Community and you will instantly be part of the community. Communities are a great way to network and stay in touch with people with common interests. What's the best WhatsApp community you have joined? Share it in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.